Hi there. So I wanted to give a quick tutorial to show you what a membership or an online course looks like in Kartra. So you may have never seen an online course in Kartra and you're like, I want to kind of see what the user experience would look like. So at the time of this recording, I have a bunch of templates in the Kartra marketplace where all of this is actually created for you and you just have to pop in your content. So if you are looking for a shortcut in Kartra and you don't want to build this all out yourself, I actually give you, this is one of my templates here, I actually give you everything pre-built. You add in your videos and your content, and I give you the links to the graphics that I have here so you can change them or update, the wording or whatever and just re-upload it as an image. So I just wanted to throw that out there, and I will show you kind of what you can build in Kartra. But if you are not wanting to stare at a blank screen and you want kind of a template to get started, definitely check out my templates in the marketplace or go to my website and I have a whole template shop for Kartra templates. I also take one-on-one clients if you are looking for something custom. But okay, let's get into it. So in Kartra, an online course is called a membership. So it doesn't matter if you want to create a membership, a workshop, a tech library, an online course, it's all in the same format in Kartra. So it's really flexible for what you can create because you can put a ton of content in Kartra. You can see I like it when it's all one line, but you can also go into double lines up here just with tons of content. You can do modules and sub-modules and sub-lessons. So as you can see, you can do like intro posts, you can have multiple phases or lessons within each module, and you can just build out the content that way. And you can see you can actually fit a ton of information up here on this first bar or go onto a second line. You can also I like to put a little section for like how to sign up for an affiliate if you want to have people sign up for your affiliate program, or you can also offer free modules where people can get access maybe into 3 of the modules and then they can upgrade if they want to see all the content. And the other posts, you can make them so it's actually locked. And so when they go to click on, let's say, this module over here, it'll actually say, do you want to upgrade to this content, which is really great. So I love the free modules part of Kartra. So basically a course in Kartra will look like this. You've got a search feature, profiles, sitemap, help, and log out. You can put all of your content up here. And then you have just kind of like a marquee image where you can put the title of your course here. You then have buttons down the side. And again, this is all flexible. There are different formats. This is just how I like to see it. But there are different formats where you can have the buttons on the left, on the right. You can have smaller buttons, bigger buttons, which I'll show you. But really, it's really flexible. And I just use Canva to create these images and upload them into this side of the membership. So this can actually give you some links to upsells or other digital products that you have, or ability to book a call with you for a one-on-one session. You can have them submit a testimonial or a video testimonial or something like that, fill out a survey, get feedback, tons of options you can use this section for. And that's what I love about it. Kartra doesn't tell you what to put where. You can kind of build it how you want. And you can ask a question in the course community and have that click to a course community if you have a course community. You can also have quick links. And then, of course, you can have buttons down here. You can have reminders that highlight different key points. Obviously, you can have bold text. You can have bullet points, all of this. You can add images and kind of have a nice little welcome screen. And then, of course, you can drag and drop video or audio, put next steps or homework, anything that you want them to remember after they watch the video. You can then add comments or have people add comments. You can turn these on or off so people can come in and make a comment and say, oh my gosh, I loved your content here. And you can see they can kind of just go through your content like this. It's kind of like a full learning experience, which is what I love. They come in here and you can force progression. So they have to go through the content. They can't skip around. They have to go through the content one by one. Or you can have it where they can, skip around. They also can get the content drip fed to them if you want, or on a set date, or you can have it self-paced where they come into the course and they get all the content. It's already right there for them. If you are on I believe the second tier of the pricing, the growth plan with Kartra, you can also drag and drop surveys or quizzes into your course, which is really great to get feedback from your students or just to, make sure they're understanding the content. And I think that's a really great feature of Kartra. You can also put like a little next steps section where they can work with you further, and they can also search for the content here or favorite content here if they really loved the module or lesson. So it is very flexible to create a course or a membership or a workshop, however you want to do it. I'm going to show you a couple of my other templates just so you can see the design on how it changes. But again, you can have 3 columns here. You can have 2 columns. You can have this column over here. Honestly, the sky is the limit with where you want to put content. So I will show you, this is in my course on how to build and launch and sell an online course. As you can see, I have smaller buttons over here and a lot of the same content. You can do screenshots, all of that. Then I have, this is another template. You can see it's just totally different look and feel. And this is just made with Canva graphics that I put together and uploaded. When you are creating your videos, you also want to add splash images like this, which kind of, this isn't a video, but this is an example, which will cover your face and make it just kind of fit your branding. So all of your videos have like a nice welcome cover before someone dives into the content, which can just make your course feel really good. I will show you another template of mine so you can see just how different your buttons can look and how, just how your branding can look. You can change the colors of each of these, sections up here. And again, all of these templates are in the marketplace and these are all pre-built. So there's another one. And then another one. So as you can see, all of these courses look very different and I have them kind of in the same format, but they kind of give a different look and feel. This is a workshop I created that's just a little, smaller, day 1, day 2, day 3, submit a testimonial, become an affiliate. This is just super simple. And then this is my Kartra Tech Hub, where this is more of a tech library than a course. So it's like a tech membership. They can come in and learn about Kartra with these quick videos. As you can see, again, very different buttons. And then this is my Squarespace Tech Hub that I'm building out. And I took away just kind of that marquee image here just to make it kind of just a smaller course look and feel. And if you don't want to do, custom buttons, you can do, you can drag over your other products that you've created in Kartra and people can just join your other digital products over here as well. So super easy to upsell your other digital products, either with these type of buttons or creating your own buttons here. And these buttons on the side can be taken, they can take you anywhere to any link within Kartra or an external link like your website. So yeah, I just wanted to show you kind of the different options in Kartra and how a membership or course can look. Definitely check out my website if you're interested in buying any of these templates or looking into them. Again, it'll save you time and frustration because when you get into Kartra and you're creating a course or membership from scratch, none of this is built out. So definitely reach out if you have any questions or make a comment on online courses or memberships in Kartra. Thank you, and I hope this was helpful. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment with any other videos you'd love to see. Thank you.